and get one. So I just blend up some turmeric because I got the turmeric and ginger and make myself one. All right. So this is how my turmeric look. So what I normally do in the morning and one before I go to my bed is this. I get this little thing right here. I will get this little shot glass right here and I will do this. I don't have one full left, but we also can open this one. You want to shake it up. All right, and then pour it in like this. So I normally do one of this when I go to my bed at night. This one right here. So you guys can do this before you go to your bed. All right, remember to get on yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. It's available on Amazon. All right, so I normally do this one because I know this is very powerful and effective for us to use at home. All right, good vibes. Hope you guys will enjoy this one.